honeys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be recreating a hairstyle from an old Nollywood movie. Basically, this hairstyle was worn by our great and mighty Rita Dominic. You guys know Rita Dominic. She's like a star, she's an icon in the Nollywood industry, like period. An icon, period. Like, that's all I'm going to say. So if you are new here, my name is Yeni. I was born in the 90s and I really watched those movies when I was growing up. Like, I really loved all the Nollywood movies as a child. Like, it was lit, literally. It was lit, dramatic, everything. So I'm going to be creating this style here and we're going to see. So if you're not subscribed here, please do something on the bell button so you know when I post a video. So now let's get to the video.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
So it's time to start this hairstyle. Like, I went out to shop for this style because I don't have all these things laying around. So I went out to get these things. I don't know what they are called, but you should know them. They're used for braids, and also some rubber bands because it's needed. So now it's time for me to start the hairstyle. This is my hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. So to start this style, I'm going to just literally creating a part that is not really straight, but kind of straight, but not really. So I'm going to hold this section to the back. So I'm going to also hold this section in front. I'm going to start with the back actually. So as you can see, she has like a really high puff in front of her hair. So I'm going to try to create the high puff. Before I get to the front, which is the main part of the style, I'm going to get this product and apply it to my hair literally all over. Anyhow, doesn't really matter today. So also for a little bit of shine, I'm going to be adding shea butter, baby. I'm just going to braid my hair to just stretch it. So basically I am done with the back and the back is stretching, so it's time for the front part of the style. So I'm going to start by creating like a V from the middle. So now I'm going to be using Eco Styler in olive oil to smooth out my hair. Once we reach the end of this very ornate braid, I am going to get a rubber band, literally a black band, and just like tie it. So one down, so many to go. So honeys, I am literally done with the front section, even though it's not that neat, but it's going to work. It's going to work out for us. I'm still using Eco Styler to try to lay my edges. So now we're taking the edge scarf to layer it up. While it is setting, I'm going to start unraveling my fro at the back because we have to get the fro look. So now basically the way to unravel is basically to undo the braid I just did. Basically I just stretched my hair. If you are wondering why I'm braiding my hair and like taking it out almost immediately, I did it so it will make my hair a little bit longer. My hair tends to shrink a lot. So now, as you can see, the hair is falling and covering up my braids, and we do not want that. So I'm going to get me some bobby pins. Like, this style is actually not as easy as I thought it would be. So as you can see, the hair is covering up my braids that I just did. So we need to make it like this, like to get the style, like something pretty, but like, do you get me? Do you feel me? Something like this. I'm going to be using some bobby pins. Like, we have to let the braid show. That's the whole point of the hairstyle. So I'm going to take some black bobby pins and just get to it. I think bobby pins are not working, so I'm going to just use a normal hairband like I would use for my high puff. That would work way better than something like this. Yes, like this works actually. This really works. Then comb up the braid out. Comb up. I just want to put the pins to like visualize the hairstyle. You know something? My battery's about to die, and you know, it's not working out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do my 90s makeup. Like, you can't be in the 90s and not do the iconic thin eyebrows of the 90s. Like, that's the whole point of the 90s look. You have to have slim, thick eyebrows, like literally. So I'm just going to comb it out until it's big enough while I do my eyebrows and while I charge my battery for a bit. So see you all soon. See you all soon. So guys, literally I just finished my makeup, even though it's quite simple, but it's like 90s vibes. Like, if you want to see how I did the makeup, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put it on my Instagram page. So this is my final look. Like, I look like Rita Dominic. You can't tell me nothing. Like, I'm trying to get that look though. Like, let me see how she did the look. It's like more of like concerned to the side, like worried, like did I get it? Like, let me know if you think I got it, cause this is a look. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do click on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you want me to do any other recreations, let me know. This is Rita Dominic from the 90s. Bye.